What you say? Oh, that you only meant when. I'm sitting on a shoe.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, we got it. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey guys, it's Rachel
and Claire,
and we are oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna start over. Okay,
hey
Claire,
guys.
you can't start eating yet.
Hey guys, it's Claire
and Rachel, and today we're gonna be doing a vegan pizza mukbang. We have one from the brand Daya, and this one's from Domino's. What did you get?
Green peppers and pineapple. Wow,
amazing. I got here I have the box. Okay, it's the mushroom roasted garlic Daya pizza, and yeah, this is our first video. We're just going to be eating some good vegan foods and talking about whatever things are happening, I guess, like K-pop, conspiracy theories, social media drama. That's always a good one. Alright, well.
This is literally a cracker with ketchup on it.
You're a cracker
Don't
with ketchup
sue me,
on
Domino's.
I didn't anticipate how weird it would be. Like, I thought it would be different, but I didn't know it would be this weird to just eat on camera. What mukbangers don't tell you.
Let's talk about some drama. GOT7's Jackson injured. GOT7's Jackson injured in a car crash due to sussing fans.
Oh my gosh.
How do you feel about that, Rachel?
I think that those fans need to calm down. I mean, wait, is he injured? How bad?
His back is injured and he couldn't perform with the group.
Wait, when did this happen?
Like, recently, like a few days ago.
I think that this is an issue with K-pop, how the fans are really crazy and no one stops them for some reason. I don't know. I feel like if that happened, like say to Kylie Jenner or something, like those people would be arrested or something, right? But then, like nothing, no one ever addresses it.
This is so sad.
Oh my gosh. I think we should have had napkins in hindsight. This has a good crunch. But yeah, I get what you're saying with the cracker thing.
What should we talk about?
Let's talk about beauty standards. Let's talk about I'm going for it. People are expected to fit into this standard that's very unrealistic, and it's not right.
What are you talking about?
Buy my book on Audible, narrated by me.
Audible.com/Claire and Rachel.
Use our code to get a free audiobook. Our code is YEHIT. Maybe we should tell some stories from our childhood.
You go first.
Oh, okay, let's see,
You have a lot of crazy stories. Pull one out.
What?
You do.
Wait, give me an example. I feel attacked.
Okay, there's this bee one. The bee one.
Oh, yeah, okay, so, one time when I I think I was about like 4 years old. I lived on this ranch with my mom, and then my parents are divorced, and so my dad came over, and then me and my mom were like, hey, we got a goat, come check out our goat. Are you good?
Yeah.
So we're just about to show my dad this goat, and so we're walking up the steps to go into the barn, and then one of the steps that we step on breaks because it's made out of wood, the wood rotted or something, so the wood breaks, and then my dad's foot like goes straight in and steps on a wasp nest, and we were just swarmed by like hundreds. I don't know how many wasps are in a nest, but it was a lot of wasps, and my dad ran me across like the horse corral and put me down in front of our house, and then he ran back out there to help my mom, and they had to like stay out there and smack themselves to kill all the wasps because they kept stinging them. Yeah, I used to have sting scars, but they healed, so I don't know. I can't really show them anymore. I don't know. So yeah, it was pretty traumatizing.
You should like show your cat or something.
Cece. She's asleep. I do have a cat. Her name is Cece. Let me just find a picture on my phone. She's supposed to be on a diet because she's a little bit overweight. She's a little bit chubby because shut your mouth. But she lives a good life, you know. But I want her to be healthy, as any good parent would for their child. So let me just find a picture of her. This takes some effort. Subscribe. We're very unprepared at all times. What are you doing? It's supposed to look aesthetically pleasing. I think you're onto something here.
I just had a vision and this came up.
What were you trying to say?
Eat some.
Just eat some?
You'll know.
I've already been eating it. I like it. Wait, hold on. You can have... This one's probably more to your taste because it has like the cheese.
Thanks.
So, just to kind of, I don't know what I'm trying to say. He thinks Hayoung has always been one of K-pop's most renowned visuals, but 2 recent pictures of this idol have led a large number of Korean men to claim that to claim I accidentally kicked the trapezoid. Oh yeah, she was calling the tripod a trapezoid for a long time.
Go along with the story.
And then led a large number of Korean men to claim that she also has the best body in Korea. Yeah, I mean, she looks good. You guys can see for yourself. I don't know. Kind of. You know, it's always kind of like a competition between women. Like, oh, who has the best body? Who has the best hair?
That thing that I just found out about, the carboxy shots where they like...
Yeah, like inject their legs so they can be thinner. My entire right leg has fallen asleep.
Fans worry over EXO's Dio condition after seeing skin irritation. Oh, I heard about this.
Wait, what?
People were like cursing him out because he has acne. Like he had acne and everyone was like, oh, is he okay? What's wrong with him?
He just has acne. Like it's a thing. People get acne. Imagine if the way K-pop stars are treated is how people in real life are treated. So you go to school and then you have a friend who has a pimple and you're like, oh my gosh, she has a pimple? What?
What is this?
I thought she was a goddess. What? Pretty ridiculous. I'm I misjudged how much that was of I thought I could do it.
We all do. We have to finish this.
We can do it. Do you want another piece of this?
Sure. Wait, there's one piece right here.
Oh. Why two of it? So? Oh my god, I'm about to get really bad pins and needles. I feel it. You guys are here for me, right?
Honestly, Domino's should like delete their account.
Stop. We're gonna get sued by Domino's. It's more like a cracker with pizza sauce on it and like some veggies. If you want something more similar to non-vegan pizza, then you should go for this one.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
It's a lot of pizza.
Are you full already?
Yeah.
Claire!
What? I should just like move this pizza and then act like I finished it.
Stop.
I'm gonna cut this out. All finished.
Oh wow. I'm still eating mine. Claire.
Okay. All finished.
I'm almost there. I'm catching up.
Say some outro stuff.
Hmm?
Say some outro stuff.
Okay. Well, we hope that you guys enjoyed the video. We are going to hopefully get more delicious vegan foods to eat, and if there's anything you guys want us to eat, just tell us in the comments. But yeah, that's about it for today. Definitely try out some of these vegan pizzas. They're really good. Bye. Okay, we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
I can't believe that just happened.
Right?
I'm just gonna smack it. This is really bad. If we actually get like any views on this, I'll be really surprised. I'll be really shocked.